analyzing here, it's none of your business. And if I'm gonna use my concepts wrong, they work for me. I know, or I can break out more, ne? It simply means now the bulls are in charge, right? But then if it does not break out, then I know, okay, the bulls are not in charge, but then I'm willing to risk whatever amount that's in this account, right? So it'll not expect ring it break out, it will go for a gate, shoot a local one. That's strictly me. And okay, I'm gonna expect it firstly to come where? I'm gonna expect the market. This is strictly 1 minute. I'm gonna expect the market to at least come here. Yeah, that's why kerata phone waiting ke 1 minute, I'm done. Analysis for the day. Wabo. Then this is my first take profit. Right? That's my first take profit. One salon. And another thing that I want to say, guys, after a single spike, we close, wait for it to come down. We catch a spike, we close. The market gives us the re-entry, we close. We enter on a re-entry, it spikes, we close until it gets here, right? We don't enter here, hold up until it gets there. No, because let's say you hold here, right? It gets there, it gives you, let's say, $100, but then if it can spike, gives you $50, you close, it goes down, it spikes, gives you $50, you close, go down, spike, $50. So eventually, after a single analysis, you'll end up like 500 USD. But then if you're gonna hold a single trade, then you know what, you are gonna end up having how much? 200 USD. But then if you can hold a single spike, you close after it spikes, you wait for it to give you to retrace or give you a retest, and on your retest you do what? Market guys. But then another thing is that you know what's risk is that sometimes you can get to the market, you know, it's spike and you tell yourself you close on this thing, ne? And you hope for what? You hope for the market to go down a little bit, but then the market will eventually just shoot up. So yeah, that it happens most of the time. So some we hold, some we don't hold, right? But then if you see that the market close the trade and wait for another opportunity to catch a spike. This is very much simple, guys. Spike guys, guys, me I'm painful. Look at that. Dr. Ivy, guys, me I'm painful. You see this thing, the BMM, you are not. No, I'm gonna close my trades and hope for it to come down. I get when I break it out my trend line. This is a major trend line. Look at the trend line. It's a major trend line. You see this major trend line? It's broken. And you broke my major trend line. You have violated my rules. So Mina, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna violate you. It's gonna come down. After coming down, spike. So it's simple. That's how we kill the market, guys. You understand? Nonetheless, let me close the trades. It has been a beautiful one, guys. It has been a beautiful analysis. But then I don't want to hold because, you know, I'm a scalp. Nyamai damane. Marete. Utlozite. Nto ke style kudu. Why closer? The goat. People don't understand. In market, we don't do this thing, man. We let the market play out, and then after we close. Yeah, guys, this is it. I'm not sure if I helped someone, but then let me tell you something. I just want to show you something on Boom and Crash. Come here, guys. I don't know. These things, you won't see them on your 15 minutes and on your 30 minutes, right? And these things, they are indication that the market has not yet changed direction. I'm not gonna reveal why when it's like this, market hasn't changed direction. But then let me just go back and show you. Or in many cases, when you get things like this, when you get something like this, the market will never spike early. But then eventually, after a spike, that's where, guys, look at this. It's going up. It's Dr. Iverson. I'm killing it. On a live, guys, record this thing, post it on YouTube, and make me famous like your mentors. Because, wow, this is amazing. Close it, okay, guys, you see, this market, if you're spiker, so on my team, we know why is like this is not a buy yet, right? Again, we know in my team, we know, but then if you get that particular spike, that's when we'll know, okay, now the market is changed direction, you know. But then, yeah, those are the things that they are revealed in the mentorship group. You understand? The market broke your major your major trend line. All you need to do, guys, I'm not gonna, there's no robot here. This is pure technical analysis, right? Take note of it. Technical analysis. So the market, I'm hoping for it to like go where to go there. But then if the market doesn't reach there, that's why I say each and every after a single spike, you close your trades, you wait for the market to give you an opportunity, and then you are able to do what, to enter trades again and take advantage of the market. But then, guys, boom and crash, it's very easy. You don't need to buy a robot. You don't need to do anything. You just need to like apply your knowledge here, man. Don't be lazy. Go read books. Smart money concept doesn't work here. Those are forex things. You will end like it will end in tears. Not on boom and crash with like a smart money concept. Trust me, you will end in tears. Wabo. So boom and crash has been on an uptrend, right? I'm not sure if you see it. It has been going up, has been going up. So eventually, this will be our accumulation. So I'm still expecting boom and crash to do what, to at least go up and like, you know, consolidate before it gives what, an overall drop. Take note, this is my 5 minutes, and on my 5 minutes, guys, I'm very strict. On my 5 minutes, I'm very strict. I follow candlesticks. As you can see, we're now market ends a dropper with like a full force. I'm not gonna force what the market to give me spikes, so I let it be. I let it play out up until I get what, up until I get bomber consolidation, and that's where I take what, that's where I take advantage of the market, you know. So I'm hoping for my boom 500 to shoot up until then, and yeah, that's what's gonna happen. But take note, guys, in the market we are not always going to be accurate. So that's why I say after a spike, you close your market, you wait for what, for another spike to catch, right? So that's why I say for you to trade boom and crash, you must have guts. You must, you know, you must always be present to close and do everything. Nonetheless, guys, I think I've like, you know, extrapolated one or two things about this particular market, which is a very beautiful market. And then you come, when are you gonna add your indicators, guys? You're just gonna focus on them, just like that guy said yesterday. You're gonna focus on indicators only and not the market. And the market sometimes will tell you something that's accurate, but then you'll choose to follow what indicators. Nonetheless, it's your boy Iverson, and I think I've extrapolated my knowledge up until this far. You'll give me updates on if the market shot up or what. But then today I'm going to drink alcohol. It's going to be very nice. You understand? Nonetheless, guys, this is it. Boom and crash. From your one and only Dr. Iverson. And please, guys, you see here, take note of a few things. Before you get what, before the market shoots to the downside, you at least you're gonna get like a continuation. Guys, this thing is shooting to the upside. Resist. I'm good with this shit, my nigga. I kill boom and crash. Boom and crash is my girlfriend. Look at this, guys. Me, I know myself. You know, this is BMM. They know. There's no indicator. I just teach you what you see in the market. And guys, since this thing is breaking out here, then now you're confident you're gonna hold this motherfucker. That's why I say, guys, if you're able to hold a big loss for 10 hours, you can still be able to hold big profits for at least 20 hours. Let's not be scared of the market, right? Let's not be scared of this bullshit, guys. We are better than that. You understand? So now what I usually do when market is spiking like this, I come back, you know, I rearrange my targets, and then now this one is now what? It's now what? We broke the first streak, meaning that now we are focusing to go to the upside. The market, you know, consolidated, and then it was struggling to break out there, and it broke out our trend line, and we expected to do what? Or everywhere happy re-entry, but then now we chose to do what? To just shoot to the upside, and this is an indication of what? Of changing direction. You understand? Not knowing what does it mean, but then take note, guys. Take note of something. The market at this point, because I know someone told the market also. This is how I trade, guys. You know, my eyes, I don't know, I get working third dimension, what, but then I'm that good, you know. So I'm gonna take my trend line, take my trend line, and now look for what? And then I'm gonna just, you know, wait for the major trend line. Yeah, you see, you have how many touches? 3 touches. I mean, you have 3 touches now on your trend line. So we are hoping for your trend line to be what? You are hoping for your trend line to be broken. I get you saw the first touch there, the second touch, and you're hoping for what? For the third touch. And if it breaks here, then play with it up until it gets here. It's simple as that. There's no need for you to pay 3,000 to learn such things. It's very simple. BMM, you know. Nonetheless, guys, I'm out. I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Resist. I kill this shit, my nigga. Now, guys, hopefully I helped someone. Now I think it's my time to let everyone, you know, enjoy their day. Yeah, this was just a piece of the cake. Nonetheless, it's your boy. Hey.